Hello and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a group of irregular verbs that all follow the same pattern. If you can remember one of them, the others will be much easier to learn. Let's get started.
Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Ring, rung, rung. Begin, began, begun. Swim, swam, swum. Sink, sank, sunk. Can you see the pattern? The vowel changes in the past simple, and the past participle ends in ung for most of these verbs. Now let's look at the meaning of each verb and some common examples. Sing means to make music with your voice. I sing in the shower every morning. She sang beautifully at the concert. They have sung together for many years. Drink means to swallow a liquid. I drink coffee every morning. He drank all the water after the race. She has drunk 3 glasses of water today. Ring means to make a bell or phone produce a sound, or to call someone by phone. The phone rings every morning. Someone rang the doorbell. She has rung her parents twice today. Begin means to start doing something or to start happening. Classes begin at 9 o'clock. The movie began on time. The meeting has already begun. Swim means to move through water using your arms and legs. They swim every weekend. We swam in the sea yesterday. He has never swum in the ocean. Sink means to go down below the surface of water. Heavy objects sink in water. The ship has sunk to the bottom of the sea. The boat sank during the storm. Great job! You've just learned 7 common irregular verbs that all follow the same pattern. Practice them together, and you'll remember them much more easily. See you in the next lesson.